Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of forking a public GitHub repository, which creates an independent copy under your own account so you can freely experiment with changes. First, open your web browser, log into GitHub, and navigate directly to the main page of the open source project or repository you want to work on. Scan the very top right corner of the screen, just above the main code directory, and locate the button explicitly labeled Fork, which sits right next to the star icon. Click that button, and GitHub will immediately take you to a quick setup screen where you can choose which of your organizations should own this copy. You can also customize the repository name or description if you prefer, though keeping the default settings is usually ideal. Ensure the box to copy the main branch only is checked if you do not need the extra development branches. Then click the green Create Fork button. GitHub will display a brief animation for a few seconds while it duplicates the entire project architecture, and then it will redirect you to your brand new repository, completely ready for you to clone, modify, and eventually submit pull requests. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.